Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. And you might be wondering, how do I start estate planning? Like, seriously, what is the first step? I know I need it, or I think I need it. What then? What do I do? How do we get prepared? Good news, fear not. This video is for you to get you on that path. It is a bit of a path, it's a little bit of a journey. Our job here at Goff Legal is to guide you through that journey, to take you from the very beginning of, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, to thank goodness that is done. I don't have to worry about it anymore. So the very first step is basically going, okay, I'm ready. Let's make a phone call. Let's call the office and get on the calendar and talk to our intake team and get you a consultation. Now, before then, you're probably going to want to gather some information and do some thinking because the reality is your estate plan is as unique as you. And when you work with our office, we're going to customize it and make sure that it actually reflects you and your wishes. So we need to know what your wishes are. So the first thing I'd like you to do is just write down a list of all of your family members with their contact information. That's your kids, that's your spouse, that is your parents if they're involved. That might be other family members that are close. I don't need the entire family tree, right? I don't need family trees and I don't need social security numbers for everybody. Name, address, phone number, sort of the closest family to you. Next up, I'd like you to make a list of your assets. That could be as simple as a spreadsheet, that could be a piece of paper. You could put it into our software. We're going to give you a lovely intake form that will actually organize it all for you. And you'll go category by category. And by the end, you will have this beautiful spreadsheet. I love a good spreadsheet because it helps me stay organized. So that's an option too. But if not, just start jotting it down. Hey, worst case, every time you get an account statement, stick it into a folder or print it out if it comes in the mail, put it in a folder and hold on to it. You'll just bring it to your meeting. You don't need to do anything with it. You don't need to change title to anything. You don't need to update anything. Just bring what you have. And then the last thing is start thinking about some of the decisions you want to make. Again, our intake form is going to walk you through with videos each section of what you need to think through, but I'll give you a preview here. The first one, who are you going to trust to make decisions for you, to execute your wishes? That's your trustee, your power of attorney, your healthcare directive. Again, don't go crazy. Write down first top of mind who you trust that can help you out. Second thing, who's going to get your stuff when you're gone? If you're married, it might be your spouse, it might be your kids, it might be charity, it might be your friends and family, it might be nieces and nephews. Does not need to be perfect. Just jot it down. Think of what you're thinking. A lot of times when you're writing, if you're a journaler, like it just starts flowing, just keep it writing, just keep it going, and we'll use that information. That's really, really good information. Don't forget backups. I really hate that question. You're like, okay, but what if your people that you've nominated aren't here? And you're like, I don't like that question. And I was like, I know, but it's a really important question to make sure that your plan exists beyond the first layer. If we only put one agent in and one layer of distribution, anytime anything changes, you're going to have to come back and pay us to fix it. But if we have three layers, three people, three levels of beneficiaries, your plan will probably last longer and you will save money in the long run. Isn't that great? So, just by having one extra layer, one extra what if in there, we'll prompt you on that. You don't have to memorize any of this. We'll walk you through the whole thing. Yeah. And then again, contact our office, talk to our intake team. It is free for a discovery call. Figure out what your goals are, figure out what you're looking for, and then we can get you on the calendar for a consultation. And we will then take the reins. We will take them like this and go, we got you. We have your stuff, we have your people, we have your goals, your hopes, dreams, desires, and all those things. And we're going to get you step by step organized, and then all the way done. So I'm excited. I'm really excited for you. So this is the first step in your journey. We're really excited to have you on the team because you're watching this. I'm assuming you're going to call us. That's all I got for today. So we'll see you soon. Bye bye.